Which country has the longest written constitution in the world? And the correct answer is India. How many schedules were there originally in the Indian Constitution? And the correct answer is 8. How many schedules are there currently in the Indian Constitution? And the correct answer is 12. How many articles were originally included in the Indian Constitution? And the correct answer is 395. Approximately how many articles are there now in the Constitution of India? And the correct answer is 470 plus. When was the Indian Constitution adopted? And the correct answer is 26th November 1949. When did the Indian Constitution come into force? And the correct answer is 26th January 1950. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? And the correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? And the correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? And the correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the vice president of the Constituent Assembly? And the correct answer is H.C. Mukherjee. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? And the correct answer is B.N. Rao. Who is the head of the state in India? And the correct answer is President. Who is the head of the government in India? And the correct answer is Prime Minister. Which articles deal with fundamental rights? And the correct answer is 12 to 35. Which articles deal with the right to equality? And the correct answer is 14 to 18. Which articles deal with the right to freedom? And the correct answer is 19 to 22. Which articles deal with the right against exploitation? And the correct answer is 23 to 24. Which articles deal with the right to freedom of religion? And the correct answer is 25 to 28. Which articles deal with cultural and educational rights? And the correct answer is 29 to 30. Which article deals with the right to constitutional remedies? And the correct answer is Article 32. Who called Article 32 the heart and soul of the Constitution? And the correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. स्टूडेंट्स, ये सवाल आपके लिए, जल्दी से अपना सही जवाब कमेंट में लिखो। Which amendment added fundamental duties? And the correct answer is 42nd Amendment. How many fundamental duties are there? And the correct answer is 11. Which articles deal with the directive principles of state policy? And the correct answer is 36 to 51. Which amendment lowered the voting age from 21 to 18? And the correct answer is 61st Amendment. How many types of emergencies are there in the Indian Constitution? And the correct answer is 3. Which article deals with national emergency? And the correct answer is Article 352. Which article deals with President's rule? And the correct answer is Article 356. वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें और ऐसे ही क्विज के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।